Hey guys, Dave Moore, DaveMoore.com, and today I'm talking about a product that I absolutely loved from SHOT Show. Now I know it's been quite a while since SHOT Show has actually occurred, but there is a product there that I mentioned in a video around that time that I really liked, and I finally got a hold of one, so I wanted to kind of give you a little showcase on it and tell you what it's all about. So the product is this bad boy right here. This is the Armaspec Stealth Recoil Spring, the SRS, and it is a all-in-one buffer and buffer spring for AR platform rifles. The down and dirty retail price is about $80, and it ranges from a 3.3 ounce buffer all the way up to 5.6 ounces, as well as a 308 version and a big bore version. So you all know that there are many sizes of buffers, and Armaspec has covered the gambit of sizes depending on what caliber you're running or exactly what you're looking for. Now the concept behind this Stealth Recoil Spring is it's going to help reduce felt recoil, and it's going to keep the spring from rubbing on the buffer tube, just creating an overall smoother experience than using a regular buffer and buffer spring. In turn, that's also going to reduce a lot of noise that comes out of it. There are a lot of buffer springs out there that claim that they are more quiet than the others, and I've used a few of them and they all seem to be pretty much about the same loudness, so to speak. But this thing, as you can tell, it's going to be smoother, it's going to be quieter, and it's going to help reduce that recoil, keeping everything in a complete straight line. As you can see, this little O-ring on the front is where your bolt carrier is going to rest, and as it recoils, that rod is going to go through the bolt carrier, keeping a completely straight back and forth motion on this, which in turn is going to reduce your recoil sound, and like I said, it's going to make it a lot smoother. Now this is pretty much a one-of-a-kind product. There's nobody else making anything like this, and that's what I like about it. Armaspec makes awesome products, and they always tend to be innovators of things. A few things at SHOT Show I saw that I was just kind of blown away about, and I'm like, you know, that's a really good idea. Why didn't I think of that? This is one of them. Armaspec Stealth Recoil Spring. I love this thing, man. It's going to make building rifles just a little bit easier, and it's a great concept. And I really wish that I would have thought of this. The one I have here is 3.3 ounce for just basic carbine in 223 or 5.56, and I'm going to probably put this actually in a pistol build that I mentioned in a previous video. And we're going to see exactly how it goes. I haven't actually shot this yet, but I've talked to the guys at Armaspec, did some reading, and it's just something that I really like. So stay tuned for a video on the final product, I guess. But if you want to get this, you can go to Armaspec.com. This is the Stealth Recoil Spring. Once again, it's an all-in-one buffer and buffer spring combo. And retail price about $80, so it's really not too bad. It's a little bit more expensive than if you were to buy just a buffer and a buffer spring separate, but nonetheless, it's still something that's going to work out great for you, and like I said, I'm really digging this so far. Also, if you like this shirt, go get out and train. Go to OneShotIndustries.com, use coupon code IDaveMoore, get 10% off your order, and as always, follow me on Instagram, like and share this video, and keep shooting.